When we set out to create Land Rover Defender, we set out to create a vehicle that would stand the test of time, which is why we left nothing to chance. We achieved our aim. This is the toughest and strongest vehicle we have ever created. Its unique monocoque architecture has triple the torsional rigidity of a body-on-frame design. Not only that, it's been put through our most rigorous testing regime ever. And with robust steel subframes and added front underbody protection, Defender is seriously durable. Added to which, with larger control arm bushes and ball joints, it can also manage greater loads into the chassis. With a choice of wheels ranging from 18 to 22 inches, including an 18-inch white steel variant for the purist, you can select the size that best suits the kind of terrain you normally drive on. They're equipped with 815mm diameter all-season tires as standard. An optional off-road tire is also available and features a more aggressive tread pattern. Both have been built for the toughest demands. Their increased sidewall depth means the vehicle is less prone to punctures and can withstand more damage. However, should the need ever arise, Defender's full-size spare wheel means any journey can be completed. Our grained leather seats include a canvas-inspired robust woven textile on those parts that experience most wear and tear. The durable rubber flooring features a checkered pattern design, which means it is incredibly tough, and thanks in part to flush door sills, is also easy to clean. And exposed structural surfaces such as the cross-car beam are finished in a highly durable textured powder coat, adding to the vehicle's no-nonsense credentials. So go on, get out there. Defender's ready for anything.